Hi guys, this is Tamara Lankowski from Healthy Treats Market, my daughter Genevieve, and we are making this video.
Okay guys, we want the Davison Farmers Market to be #1 in at least Michigan. Like if we can do that, that would be so fantastic. I will tell you from experience, it literally deserves to be #1. It's so good. It's like a family here. The manager is amazing. She lets my family, all just be here together, and it's so great.
It's the family farmers market.
Yeah, all the vendors are so nice. There's a huge variety of things.
Yeah.
Tons of parking. There's just really nothing bad about this.
Let's tell them what we
market.
have. We got, when you come here, we've got all things holistic. We've got candles, we've got essential oils, we've got keto and clean eating. We've got all kinds of organic foods. We've got clean water. What's it called? The alkaline water, kombucha. We've got cheese. We've got produce. We've got eggs. We've got meat. Like, you name it, we have it. Okay, coffee, best coffee in the world.
My chips addiction is here.
Yes, yeah. And there's a lot of specialty things here that are super, super good. And we've been in other farmers markets. We're biased. That's why we're here.
It really is a good farmers market. So there's going to be a link in the caption. Just hit the link. It literally takes 2 seconds. It's not complicated at all. I did
just
it myself.
put your name, vote, you're done.
Yeah, that's it. And we would just so appreciate it.
We love you. We thank you for supporting us. And if you could just support us in this one thing and vote for us, we would so appreciate it. Voting ends September 19th. September 19th. So you have from now till September 19th.
A lot of time. Just don't put it off or else you forget.
Yes. Thank you guys. Click the link below. We love you. God bless you.